Hello everyone, I want to share with you a little bit information about what we're doing. Our company does search engine optimization, website build, and PR and marketing. We're doing everything digital and online. And one of the projects we finished recently, it's called Advanced Auto Repair. And everyone is happy about what we did for them. And so now you can find easily this business in Glendale. And it's a local Los Angeles business. They're doing obviously repair cars, fixing, and we did for them many interesting features and like online calling over the website, optimized for the social media. Now you can chat and share information, your opinion about what you think about this business, and it's always helping businesses to grow, and everyone can be part of the project, so you can go and chat and leave comments. So this is what we do, and if you're interested, you can call us and we can help you for your business. We're gonna do the evaluation. We're gonna find out what is the best for your business, for your company, and what we can do for you. And yeah.
If you want, no, I'm never gonna stop. I'll be calling.